With SSDs becoming more and more affordable because they are everywhere now, so prices are falling across the board. So that's a good thing because people like you and I don't need to spend so much money to buy good and fast storage. But on a second note, let's take a look at one of the most affordable options and we will see if this is any good. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Before we continue, so if you like this video, right, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We really appreciate it if you can support us more, share with your friends and let everybody watch and enjoy it together. Today we'll be taking a look at the Sandisk Solid State Plus, SSD Plus. So Sandisk is now under WD. WD is now the parent company. Doesn't really matter, but this is one of the most affordable options in the SSD market. So I'm actually excluding all those like not so reliable brands, I might say. Yeah, because Sandisk and Western Digital, these two are established names in the market. It's like what do you think of the brand when you think of keyboards and mice? Logitech. What do you think of cooling and power supply? Corsair, right? So like this is one of the household names for storage. So you can trust the brand. So this is very simply a 2.5-inch SATA based solid state drive. So this runs on SATA 3. I mean SATA 3 has been stagnant for a while, so it's fine. So 2.5-inch. So this is not the M.2 version, although you might be able to find a similar. So for example, WD, or you can find WD Blue, WD Green, WD Black in M.2 and 2.5-inch formats. Black has its own add-in card based, so because that's the higher end one. So for the more budget one, so more or less you are stuck to the M.2, and because it's SATA based anyway, so even if you use M.2, it is still SATA speeds, so it's not like you're getting a free bonus or what. Okay, so this particular solid state drive has a maximum speed of 530 megabytes per second and a maximum write of 440 megabytes per second. Not the fastest, even comparing it to regular SATA based SSDs, but it's still pretty good lah. I mean, any SSD is better than a hard drive, to be honest, provided you don't use up the cache lah, of course. Okay, so let's take a look at the packaging first. So SSD Plus solid state drive up to 530. This is the 240 gig variant, and the packaging is fairly straightforward. Let's open it up. Okay, so in the box you'll find just the solid state drive itself, although they would tell you there's a very important sticker here that says remove before installing. I suppose is because the connectors are here, so you have to remove it. Let's remove it right now. Good, I thought it was going to leave some sticky residue, so yeah. So you can see here, this is the SATA connector, and this is the power connector. So your power supply, power goes here for drive storages. Okay, so one thing I want to note about this is, although 2.5-inch is the industry standard, but the height is not standard. So some older SSDs, right, their height might be a bit thicker. The height here is measured at about just a little bit below 7 cm. So that means that you can actually use this SSD for laptops, because laptops have a very, very tight tolerance. So this is actually compatible for laptops. Okay, so a bit of more data, right? So because it's a budget SSD, most models of this do not come with any DRAM inside, which means that performance will take a hit, especially when you load it with multiple applications. So as a result, right, random read it can master up to 30k ILPS, and write is only at 15k. So it's not exactly a very high number, but like what I said, right, any SSD is better than a hard drive. So it's still in order of magnitude faster than hard drive. Don't worry about it. Last thing I want to show you guys is a bit of a benchmark. So you can see here from the Atto software, you can see the different speeds from the bottom for the smallest file size to the biggest file size. If not, that's a very quick unboxing and first look at the Sandisk SSD Plus solid state drive. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.